First, let me upload my CV here or your profile. Then let's put here what I'm targeting. Let's say digital marketing agency. Then I will select the country. Let's say UK. How many? Then click start scribing. I'm Fauzi, and this is a FOMAD where every tool we build either saves your time or puts money in your pocket. Today, we are going to build a full web app that scrapes at targeted business leads, scores every company against your business profile or your CV using AI, and then export the report in one click. So let's build this tool. Before we build, who actually needs this tool? There is two type of people who need this tool. Number one, the freelancer looking for clients. If you are a developer, designer, or consultant, or agency owner, you want to find a businesses to offer your services to. But cold emailing 100 random companies wastes your time. You upload your own profile, CV, run a search, and then AI tells you exactly which companies are the best fit for your skills. You focus on the top 10, that's your outreach list. The second one, person selling a lead list as a service. For example, let's say a client comes to you and says, I need 40 qualified leads in legal niche from Germany. You run the tool, upload profile that matches their businesses, get AI score report, and sell it for more than €200 or dollar, whatever you use. You deliver in under 1 hour. They get a ready-to-use list. Same tool, but two use cases. And let's build this kind of tool. Click the link from the description, and you will come here in my GitHub account. Then click code, close the repo or download the files, then open your terminal. For example, let's download as a zip. Now we downloaded the project, so we need to start it and to open with a VS Code. If you don't have a VS Code, you can write a VS Code in a Google and then click here a download button. So you will have options. So you will download whatever platform you're using. Currently, I'm using Mac OS, so I already downloaded the project, so I don't need to install it again. So let's open a project file. Then open, then download, then here let's grab. So now we installed the project and we open it in a VS Code. So let's check the readme file, and we see here that we already downloaded the project. So let's now install the virtual environment. Now we installed the virtual environment. As you see here, we get a VMV folder. So let's activate it. Now we already activated, as you see here. If you are using Windows, you can use this one. So let's install the requirement file. So let's create .env file. I will copy this one. Now we got it .env file here, as you see here. Google API key and then Open API key. Step 5, let's migrate the database. Good. Now let's clean the screen here. So let's run the project Python. So before we run, we need to put two API keys here, Google API key here, and then Open API key here. So first, how you can get Open API key? You should go, for example, platform Open API. You should log in. If you don't have any account, then you will go to dashboard and then API keys. Here I have a lot of APIs here, so you will click create new secret API, then you will write a name, then create a secret key. So you will copy it and then you will put here pin AI API key. So we need a Google API key. So let's see how we can get that one. You can write a Google console.google cloud. Then you will have this first link. Let's open it. Then you will select your project. If you don't have any project, you will click here. This will be like select your project. So you will click it, and when you click it, you will see here a new project button. So you will create your own project here, and then we will go APIs and services. Then you will have here a lot of APIs. So you will click place APIs. So we have two options here: places API and places API new. So in this tutorial, we will use places API, but I think it's same, which is enough for this tutorial. So make sure you enable it. Here you will see a disable. So if this is disabled, this means it's already enabled. So if here is enable, you should click it, and then this should be a disable. So in this case, it's already enabled, so we don't need to click here. So let's create the key. We will go to here, next, left side, keys and credential, then go to create credentials and then API key. So you will get your API key here. So when you get, you will click say show key here, and then you will get it here. So you will copy it. So you put here your OpenAI API key and then Google Places API here. So as you see here, I put the both API keys, and now you will write a python manage.py, then run server. Now the project is running, so we will go to here, localhost colon then 8000 local. Then now it's already running, the project is running. So this is the project right now, and this is the home page, the only form your client ever sees. So let's upload our CV or your business profile if you have any business. Let's say here AI automation agency. Let's say, for example, here US. Then maximum result. The API returns 20 results per page. So the app handles pagination automatically. Then I will set it like 34. I think 34, something like that. Let's say 35. Then one button. Let's run it. As you see here, there is a leave progress page. The app redirects straight to the progress page. Everything from here is live. It's updating the real time. Searching Google Maps, feature details for each one, phone, website, rating, and a lot of things. Cleaning the data, removing and importing to the CSV if you want. Now the AI is reading the business profile, CV, and then analyze every company. And then step 6 is done. So let the progress bar reach 100. It redirects automatically to the result. No refresh needed. Here we have 4 state cards at the top. First we have a total leads, which is like 35, then average rating across all the business, which is like 4.9, and then how many have a website. You get it 35, but only 32 of them have a website. And then here average AI match score 6.8. This is out of 10, and this is the based on my business profile or my CV specifically. In the left side, we have here the AI match analysis. This is a full GPT-4 report, not raw JSON or terminal output, properly rendered markdown, company names as heading, and a lot of things here. On the right side, we have a outreach breakdown. We have here 32 companies has a website, and 27 of them have a telephone number. Also here is the top leads based on the Google Maps rating. We also have some of the companies which is ready to contact, and this is based on the companies who have a website and phone number, both of them. We also have here a download CSV if you wanted to export it to your computer. We all have here all the leads. It's 35, and some of them have a category here, but I think this is not displaying right now. But some of the niches, it's displaying here also the category. So as you see here, there is a lot of companies who have a phone number and website and also their address here. So how we can monetize this kind of tool? We have 3 ways to monetize this kind of tool. First, this saves your time, especially if you are a freelancer or like agency owner. The second, you can also sell a lead list with AI analysis, which companies match your client's profile, and you can deliver all of these things in under 1 hour. That's a strong margin, really. Third option is sell access to the tool itself, which means you can deploy it in a virtual private server and charge clients per search or as like monthly subscription. I personally use a Contabo for all my VPS. I think it's a cheapest reliable option. You can also use a DigitalOcean or any other VPS provider you know. Either way, you are looking like $5 to $10 per month to host it. Then you can charge like $50 per search. So 10 clients a month, that's like 500 from one tool. So this web interface is what makes all the 3 possible. Terminal is a tool for developers. Web app is a tool for everyone. So that's the upgrade. What's next? The next episode, we can add AI cold email agent directly into the app. It finds the contact emails for every business in our result here, and then it drafts a personalized outreach email for each one and shows you a template before it does anything. You can read it, edit it if you want to make any changes, and then hit a send button. And then the agent fires it to every company on the list. It's like one click done. So if you don't want to miss that, please subscribe and don't forget to give us a like button. Also, if you think this kind of contents are valuable, please give us a like for this video so it will reach to more people. So I think that's it. I'm Fauzi. This is a FOMAD. Every video builds something real. So see you next one.